It be raining today.
It's so wet.
Yeah.
And cold. That was like gale force winds.
Yeah.
And torrential downpour.
Yeah. So this is me. This is the man in the yellow hat. Oh, I zoomed. Oops. Oh, yeah.
And my fingers are not currently dexterous enough to undo these weird giant rubber buttons.
Oh my god. So I don't know what I recorded, but I've had these on. The bottom is soaked because that's where my legs were. And I took them off and my pants are like this. So gross. So basically we had to help Brianne with... Oh, hi John! Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, I got shorts to change into, thank God. I don't know. Okay, all better. In shorts now.
Are you gonna put this in the dryer?
No, not my own clothes. I'll just put like the work clothes in. Because it's like, the work clothes are really dirty. Woo, okay. Well, Schwa's changing.
Also my socks.
Oh yeah. Oh, mine are fine. Thank goodness. Well, because you didn't wear your coveralls.
No.
Oh man.
Ah.
Do you want my socks? They're not soaked.
It's okay.
The black ones. I don't need to wear them. Here, take them. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pee. Sorry, I'm vlogging. You're not peeing, so it's okay. I can see myself. Okay, well anyways, yeah. We were helping Brianne get like oats out of some plants because they're weeds, they don't want them there. So we just had to like clip them and there were 12 plots. It took us, how long did it take us? What time is it? I don't know, maybe half an hour. Oh yeah, when we were leaving, Devin followed them through the mud and we got stuck in there. You know how people get stuck in like the snow? That's like, we got stuck. And then well, thankfully the truck had 4-wheel drive so we could get out easily. But the girls got out and pushed the truck. So that was kind of funny. But yeah, we's back. And we's okay. Okay, bye.